Hi, my name is Noah, and I go to programming for an mBot, which is made by Makeblock, and we're gonna be making an mBot. So we're gonna talk and unbox this mBot. I have an application on my phone for it. Let's go to build mBot. Okay, well that's downloading. Oh, here we go. Okay, now we're going to take out the parts. There are actually instructions for this, but well, I'm taking out all the parts, so I'm just gonna. You might know what these parts are if you have a mBlock at home. Alright, we're taking out the motor. Let's see where the motors are. I could even notice that the motors were in this box. I've actually made an mBot before, but I forgot how to. Alright, so we got the screwdriver. Now, let's see if it will fit. And of course it said that I do the same thing on the other flipping side. Alright, we got all the screws. Yeah. Line forward. Yeah, that's the line forward. I'm actually gonna take these gigantic scissors. Done. There we go. Now don't tell me. Come on, this is Eve the line follower. Gigantic scissors time. Yeet. Flip this around. Why do you need a pack inside of packages for one thing? We literally needed to take a screwdriver, well we didn't need to. And then just now we realized it and the mBot came with a screwdriver. And here's the flipping screwdriver. And yeah, now we need flipping scissors too. And this is my progress so far. These are pretty heavy pieces of metal. Give me that, give me that, give me that. We're on to step 27 and 19 more steps to go. This is gonna take forever. I'm doing a double stack, but you don't have to do a double stack. Hey, isn't this the battery box? Hold up. Is it this? I think it is. Gigantic scissors go. Bleh. Yeep. Yeah. I'm doing a lot more than I'm supposed to, but I'll do it. 2.5 stack. I'm making this mBot very high. That's an oopsie. First oopsie of the day. I just can't find this. And a lot of children also go to programming with me. But once me, my cousin, and my brother were the only ones there. Yes, I like flipping programming. This is how much progress we made. Now, we're just gonna put this gigantic thing here. What type of screw? Okie dokie. FBI. Open up. Oopsie. Nothing happened there. Whee! Okay. Don't tell me it's too big. It's too big. Time to go tinier. What? Great. This doesn't work. Nope. 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 No. 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 I'm gonna have to try every single type of screw. No. This one's literally perfect to fit, but it doesn't work. Like literally, what? It doesn't fit in a place that totally fits with it. Finally, we found the right screwdriver where it was in there mBot the whole time. Finally, super tall mBots. Alright, here we go. Okay, so we were making this mBot, and instead of making it a normal mBot, we made it super tall mBot. And well, you can see all the progress. Yes, I did have very much problem. Everything. These may look like soft things, but no. They're as hard as a rock. Oh, they're binding gigantic screw. Where are the gigantic screws? Where are the gigantic screws when you need them? One. Where's the two? Is it under the flipping table? Is it? Where is it? Okay, why do you need an entire packet just for one screw? Okay, let's go, 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 go. So, wrong screws actually. 50th of all. So 5 years later, we're at this point. Time to plug all the cables in. FBI. Yeah, this is very hard to plug in. There we go. Alright, so we're almost near the end. And time to turn it on. I didn't know that's actually going to work. Because of my long and tall design. I'm on the application. Okay, you can do this on your phone, laptop, computer, or all that other stuff, iPad, blah, blah, blah. And you need the app, Makeblock. Okay, let's first do this. Okay, let's just do something. Okay, it's phone time. I'm going to play a song, and guess which song it is? So it took 5 hours to do this video. It was very long. Okay, so because it's the end, I'm gonna play a little song. Can you guess the song? Let's do another song. Also guess which song that was. I'm gonna play a third one. This is all my mBot playing, and just because this is one of my first videos, I'm just gonna do a fourth song. And this one's easy, eh? Try to guess all the songs. Bye.
System shut down.